Welcome to WebStarPress. In this video, I will show you how to download, install and use GitHub CLI. To do that, search GitHub CLI and go to this result. It will take you to this page. GitHub CLI is a tool that lets you use GitHub from the command line instead of opening the GitHub website in your browser. Git only knows about your code and version history. Git can create branches, commit changes, merge branches, push to GitHub. But Git does not know about GitHub-specific features such as pull requests, issues, GitHub Actions, releases, discussions, notifications. Those are features of GitHub, not Git. So GitHub CLI connects you to GitHub's online services and lets you manage those features from your terminal. This is why GitHub CLI is useful. To download it easily for Windows, click this drop down, select Windows, download MSI. Installer will be downloaded. After it's downloaded, run it and install the program. Click Next, Next, Install. Finish. Now you can start using it. List of commands is available on their website. Scroll down and click this View all GitHub CLI commands. And here are all the commands that we can use. Now after it's installed, open Windows PowerShell. To confirm GitHub CLI is installed, use this command gh-version and it shows us the version. That means it is installed. Now to further use it, we'll have to log in. Logging in GitHub CLI is very simple. To do that, use this command gh-auth login. It asks, where do you use GitHub? GitHub.com, other. I'll select GitHub.com. And it says, what is your preferred protocol? Select HTTPS. Authenticate Git with your GitHub credentials. Type Y, hit enter. Would you like to authenticate GitHub CLI? Choose login with the web server. GitHub CLI will display a code. Now copy this code and then go to this URL. Click continue. And now paste that code here. Click continue. Authorize GitHub. Confirm access. Done. And that's it. I had to repeat the process because previous process was terminated. So here it says now authentication complete. Logged in as WebStarPress. Now you can use GH commands. Once you are done, you can log out by using gh-auth logout. And it says logout. So this is how you can download and install GitHub CLI and use commands using GitHub CLI in Windows. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.